finally got another one.
What's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Big Shape Finesse, Bye Finesse. And today, I'm going to go pick up some more packages because I got like some epoxy and some mats and pencil sharpeners and stuff. I don't know if I need more equipment beside probably some glow in the dark paint, because I got an idea to do like some type of artwork for my friend for Christmas, and I'm gonna need glow in the dark paint, and I might put a little glitter on it. I don't know. I haven't really figured it out yet, but I'm gonna take y'all with me to this mailbox. They've been messing up my packages, so I might just change it and have them deliver it at the door instead of bringing it here. This is ridiculous. Okay, so I'm picking up some more packages. Sure, that's it. That's it. Is that everything? And yes, that was it. So I'm just picking up this quick package right here. Then we're gonna head on back to the house. And then we're gonna unbox this package and the other package, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. But I wanna motivate y'all for a little bit. Now, I had a question earlier that's saying, how do I, like when I'm not motivated, what motivates me? What makes me a self-motivator? Now, I don't know how to explain it. It's just, I could be thinking about something and then it'll pop in my head, and then my creativity mixes with that. So it kind of it boosts my confidence to do better and more. And then, I don't know, like the outcome is always different. But let's just say I'm making a video and I'm like looking on there, researching something, and something pop up. It can be somebody like making another video. And I can get easily motivated and self-motivated by watching that video. And it can be anything. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, I think I'm built different. I'm built different. When I got in from the mailbox, I received this right here. And I also received this epoxy mat right here, so the epoxy don't get on the ground outside anymore. So what comes in this itty bitty box, right? Instructions. And then they give me like a pinch of glitter. Like, what the hell I'm gonna do with this? At least I got some gloves. I got some more epoxy cups. And whatever this is. I guess this is for the sand or the glitter. I don't know what this is. It's just, I came here for this. This is crazy. This is like a 16-ounce bottle. Yeah, I definitely got to order a big, oh yeah, I need these. So pretty much this, which is for stirring, the epoxy, which is going to be good. And then the gloves. And then I don't think I need these cups, because I really need more epoxy than what's in these cups. Everything else is just trash. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. All right, gang, so now that I show y'all all of that, it is nighttime. Whole time I was making videos. I did another video that I tried that hot Cheeto quesadilla. That's the video that I'm editing right now. And then I'm about to prime this wood back here, because I haven't done anything else beside that and dropped the other video. I had dropped another video, but I haven't even done a thumbnail yet. So I'm going to do the thumbnails later on tonight while I'm watching TV, because I can get those done real quick. But the videos are made. So I think those are like 3 or 4 videos. It's like a short and probably like 2 other videos that I dropped today. And tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'm not gonna be dropping anything tomorrow for a vlog, but I can show y'all my family. Y'all can actually meet my mom. That's gonna be great. And my uncle. I want y'all to meet my uncle. My Uncle TT, my Uncle Tony. You know, he old, but we don't call him old. So that's gonna be a nice little vlog to see my family tomorrow. And y'all can just come with me and see what I do on Thanksgiving. Really, I don't really do much. Usually we're cooking and barbecuing, but this year it's gonna be something simple. So right now, let me prep this wood because I keep saying I'm gonna prime it and I haven't primed it yet. So this is the last of the wood that I have. This is the last of the primer that I have. So hopefully I can prime this entire board with this. I think I'm gonna just start in sections. That way the part that I can't prime, I can cut it down the middle and maybe do a project on it if it actually works. Because I do want to try like epoxying the board that's not primed or paint the board that's not primed. Because I know some people say that's better too, but I don't know. I thought you had to prime all wood. I guess certain wood you don't have to prime, but I don't know. So y'all seen the before. This is all done, all primed. Like, that actually took the end of the can. I'm not even gonna cap. Like, ain't nothing in there. And this was a good can. This was like 11 bucks on Amazon. And I got 2 big boards out of it. So that worked out. Now that is all prime out, while that's drying, I'm going to be painting the Marshmallow Kaws character. This is inspired art. This was different. I'm gonna try something smaller. And then I seen it was red or pink. So I might just do it like just all blue. What y'all think? I don't know what kind of blue. Maybe baby blue, dark blue. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So guys, this is what I got for that blue. And then I used this blue paint right here. Can y'all see it? This right here. It look really good right now. The next thing I have to do is go over the lines and then it's done. I'm gonna let it dry. Early in the morning before we leave, I'm gonna epoxy it and then let it dry while we're out. So y'all, I finished it. It looked real good. And this is without the epoxy. This is just, it's finished painting. I finished touching it up, cleaning it. It looked really good. I like it a lot. Allah. Everything's all done on this one. It's just out to dry. That one I did pretty good. Yeah, I like that one right there. I picked the Kaws character up this morning and it's ready. How that look, y'all? That look really good. I ain't gonna cap. That look really, really good. So what we rate this one as? What we rate this one as? I really like this one. I ain't gonna cap. This one look real good. I need a thumbnail for this though. That's my thumbnail right there. This one look real good, bro. I say like 7 or 8. What y'all say? This lit. Now, if y'all like that video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below what y'all think about that. And let me know what y'all rate that Kaws character for it because that was really inspiring. I'm gonna do another Kaws character, but I think I'm gonna do that one like a full big board because I want to be able to put it on the wall, and I'm gonna show y'all which wall I'm gonna put it on. That Kaws character is gonna be standing tall. It's gonna be on this wall right here, and this is where I have this. I haven't hung this up yet, but it's definitely gonna be tall, like longer than that. So it's gonna be like from the floor all the way up here. And I wanna put a big Kaws character right there. I wanna see more of that. I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so y'all can see more. Cause I got more projects coming. I'm just looking for some. I'm trying to do unique projects that a lot of people don't have. I don't wanna do the same projects that a lot of people have. I do wanna do like, I'm gonna do viral projects, and then I'm gonna do some that you ain't never seen before. So not only is this a project thing, I'm gonna attempt to do the best ones that I can. I'm gonna do some more 3D ones coming up soon because I want to do another dollar bill, and that was gonna be like a SpongeBob dollar bill with Mr. Krabs on it, and I also want to do a South Park dollar bill. I'm not really sure if I want to do the South Park dollar bill, but for sure the SpongeBob dollar bill is coming up next. So I hope y'all like this. I'm thank y'all for my new subscribers, and thank y'all for the new family that's been following me and my family that's already following me. I love y'all, gang, and I'm out. Peace.
My nigga Johnny got another one.